Okay, so this question on page 182, number 5, reads, the sum of two numbers is 16. Their difference is 40. What are the numbers? So if I look at that, because I have two equations really here, what I'm going to do right now is, I know that it says I'm going to have x be equal to the first number. Okay, but now what I need to do is come up with what I'm going to use for my second number, and later on you'll use both x and y variables to solve it. But right now what I'm going to say is this, and just if you just go with me. Okay, I know I got my first number minus the second number is going to equal 40. Okay, what I need to do is I need to figure out what the second number, in this case y, is going to be equal to. So I'm going to bring this over to this side. Okay, by doing that, this becomes negative y equals negative x, because it's the opposite sign, plus 40 because it's positive. But I can't leave that as a negative variable, so I'm going to times this by a negative and then times this whole equation by a negative. And so I'm actually going to have positive y equals positive x minus 40. This is what the second number is going to be. So what I'm going to use for my second number is x minus 40, because I had to subtract it, equals the second number. Okay, so now from the equation it tells us that the first number plus the second number equals 16. Now the first number we figured out is, of course, is x. The second number through our work we figured out is x minus 40, and that equals 16. Now remember, that comes from the previous, that one equation, the second equation we were given. Now combine your like terms. Oops, sorry. X equals 28. Now, if I go back to figure out, so that's my first number. Okay, so to get the second number, I'm just going to substitute. So I go back to this where it said x minus 40, and I'm going to substitute 28. And it's going to equal negative 12, and that's going to be my second number.